Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, like I've been saying, I still think this is a W. This is an X, and I think we're likely in a wave Y right now. I think the first post up was an A. I think this is an expanding wave B. I think we're potentially going to be in an uptrend for the next few weeks for a wave C to complete this wave Y. I do think that the weekly downtrend is not over, so I do think that's why. Well, that's why I think that this is a pullback within a downtrend. So, anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am still primarily looking for longs. Doesn't mean that it may not make a pullback, a bigger pullback along the way, but to me, it already looks like it possibly made three waves to a fib level. So, definitely, I would be looking at anything I see to the downside is possibly nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. Because of the daily roadmap time frame, I personally am looking for longs at any chance I get. So, anytime I see a pullback, nice engulfing move to the upside, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement level, I will for sure continue to look for logs based on what I see on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.